Let's walk through the quick and easy setup of your Aura Deluxe portable rocker and seat. Before getting started, make sure all parts are included and in perfect condition. Start by inserting the upper frame into the lower frame until both buttons snap into place with an audible click. The seat features 2 recline positions. Pull the upper seat lever outward to adjust the angle and lock it into your preferred position. Never adjust the recline with your baby in the seat. Next, attach the toy bar by pressing the clips onto the frame. You can adjust it forward or back depending on your baby's reach. To switch between modes, rotate the back rocker lock outward and then rotate the front rocker locks outward. This lets you choose between rocker mode and stationary seat mode. On the underside, unzip the fabric cover, slide the sound and vibration unit onto the frame until it fits tightly. Insert 1C battery into the vibration unit, secure the battery door, and you're ready to go. To secure your little one, place them in the seat and buckle the 3-point harness. Adjust the straps so they're comfortable and secure. Press the music and vibration button to turn melodies and soothing vibrations on and off. The unit includes a 15-minute auto shut-off. When you're done using it, press both lower frame buttons to fold the rocker flat for easy storage or travel. We hope you enjoy your Aura Deluxe portable rocker. Thanks for choosing Baby Delight.